If you are running a cooking class, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your cooking class business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding availability, pricing, booking and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chat Flow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. Not only that, you can also add your customer data on Google Sheet automatically. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your cooking class business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web. And here I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me to the Flavorist Kitchen Studio. And with that, they have provided me few action button, view schedule, explore course and register for class. I'm going to explore course. As soon as I have clicked on course, I got information about their current running courses, and with that they have provided me two action button, menu and need help. I'm going to click on menu option. As soon as I have selected the menu option, I got initial message again. This time I'm going to select register for class. To register, they want few details like my name. Now they want to know about date. After date, they want to know about number of participant. Now they want to know about any food allergy or dietary need. Last thing, they want to know about email address. As soon as they got every single detail, they have provided me with a message that you will receive a confirmation plus payment link within 15 minutes. And with that, they have provided me two action button again, need help and menu. Not only that, my informations are automatically filled to my Google Sheet as well. As you can see, name, mobile number, date, number of participant, any food allergy and email address. So yes, as you can see, the chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much fun and better, that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot and fill your details automatically to Google Sheet, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for cooking class, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your cooking class business. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about 3 main features which are given inside the flow start: keywords, regex and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find, match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop text button, connect with my flow start and enter my welcome message, which says welcome to Flavorist Kitchen Studio, where every recipe became an experience. Join our hand-on cooking class for beginners, foodies and aspiring chefs. Learn, cook, taste together. How can we help you today? With that, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text, view schedule, explore course and register for class. Now for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. Let's start with view schedule. To give schedule about our classes, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, where I have mentioned all the class schedules with timing, and with that I have provided our location and calendar. With that, I have provided 2 action button, menu and need help. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this menu button, they will get initial message again. And I'm going to provide a separate message for need help, where I have mentioned that want help choosing a class or need information about ingredients, dress code or private booking. Our kitchen team respond in 15 to 20 minutes between 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Tuesday to Sunday. Now let's move to our second action button, which is explore course. To tell my customer about our course, I'm going to drag and drop text button and enter my message like this, where I have provided all the information about our course that are currently running. With that also, I have provided 2 action button, menu and need help. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier, and I'm going to connect need help button with the message that we have put for need help. Now let's move to our third action button, which is register for class. To register for class, I need to ask few questions to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my action button, and here I'm going to enter my message, where I have mentioned that let's reserve your apron. Please share full name. I'm going to select my contact custom field as name and my format as any. Similarly, I'm going to ask about date, participant, food allergy and email address. Like date, where I have selected my contact custom field as date. Number of participant, I have selected my contact custom field as participant. Any food allergy, I have selected my contact custom field as allergy. And email address, where I have selected my contact custom field as email address and format as email. Now I want to fill these details on my Google Sheet as well. For that, I'm going to drag and drop API request and connect with my questions. Here I'm going to paste my webhook URL. To get webhook URL, you need to open all Pabbly app page, and over here you need to select Pabbly Connect. As soon as you will select Pabbly Connect, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, to create a new workflow, you need to click on Create Workflow button and enter your name like this, and I'm going to click on the Create button. After that, you will be landed on this page. Here you can see there are 2 steps, trigger and action. As soon as triggered is entered, action will be performed. I'm going to choose my trigger app over here. As we are working on Pabbly Chat Flow, I will choose my trigger app as Pabbly Chat Flow. Now I'm going to select my trigger event, new message received. As soon as I have selected my trigger event, webhook URL is created. I'm just going to copy this webhook URL and I'm going to paste it over here. Now I'm going to select my API request as post and enter my key which I want to fill on my Google Sheet, like name, mobile number, date, allergy and participants. Click on test and save my API request. As you can see, I got a message that API request successful. That means there is no error. Now I will move to my action. For that, I am going to select my choose app. As we want to fill our data on Google Sheet, I'm going to choose my action app as Google Sheet. After that, I'm going to fill my action event as new row. Now I'm going to connect my Google Sheet. There are two options, add new connection and select existing connection. I'm going to select add new connection. Here I'm going to sign in with Google. As you can see, my connection is successfully made. Now I'm going to select my spreadsheet in which I want to fill my data. As I want to fill my data on cooking classes, I will select that. Over here, I'm going to map all the details like name, mobile number, date, participant, allergy and email address. Mapping will help to automatically fill your data on Google Sheet without any manual effort. Now I'm going to save and send test request. This will save the value you fill above and will send the data to the selected app for the processing. A response will be received back once the process is completed. As you can see, I got a response. Now, as we are done with our API request, I'm going to send a confirmation message to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. You will receive a confirmation payment link within 15 minutes. And with that, I have provided two action button, need help and menu. I'm going to connect menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier, and I'm going to connect need help button with the message that we have put for need help. So yes, as you can see, I have created this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow and entered all the design information. Not only that, I have also filled my details on Google Sheet automatically. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.